Right, Alicia, so the last two papers you've done have been marked in the 60s, so let's see if you can go that one step further now and break into the 70s. 847. Right, centimetres squared is an area unit, so it would be wrong because it's an area, but also a hockey pitch you'd be measuring in metres, not centimetres as far as length or area is concerned. So that one, what I was looking for was metres. Similarly, millilitres is a small unit, okay? A teaspoon or a medicine spoon would be millilitres. A can of Coke would be millilitres, but a fuel tank would be measured in litres. Distance would be kilometres, but you got the last one right. So only one out of the 4 marks there. 6 marks above. 57 is a good estimate. So for that page you have got 9. Right then, if we swivel that around, where have we gone? That's good. That's good. I can't fault that. That's fine. 2 marks. Cylinder, pentagon, triangle, prism, 3 marks. 5 for the page. Radius, diameter is wrong, tangent is right. For it to be a diameter, it would have to go through the center. Okay, so that is a diameter. What you've got, what you need to have there is called a chord. Okay, so 2 out of the 3 for that. That one's right, that's right, and that's right. Unfortunately, you've put one more on there than you need. This one's not right, because if that was a mirror line, then that there would be reflected down there, and that square would be coloured in, and similarly that would be reflected up there, and that would be coloured in. So you're going to lose a mark for that one wrong symmetry line. That's correct, and that's correct as well. You haven't done that. 0.4 is the same as 4/10, which is that one, and this is also 4/10 is 2/5 in its simplest form, and that also comes down to 2/5. So those are the 2 we're looking for there. So you don't get that, you do get that, you get 2 marks for there. Total for the page 2, 4, 6, 7. Number is 8, X is 11. Now, so you get those 3 marks. No, so that's wrong with you. Right, you can't take, oh sorry, yeah, so you're saying that that 8 kilograms must be 2 B's, BB, so that's right. Well, if 2 B's is 8 kilograms, that means 1 B must be 4 kilograms. Okay, so BB equals 8, so 1B equals 4. So you're nearly there. And then if B is 8/3, A will be 8. That is correct for your value of B. So you are going to get no marks for working out B because it's wrong, but then your follow through is right. So you're going to get 2 out of those 3 marks. Times by 4, well done, you're using words. 27, 45x. That shouldn't be y equals take away 3, it should just be y minus 3. So you lose that mark. That's correct, and that's correct. Total for the page 3, 5, 9, 13. 80 take away 45 is 35. There's a smaller number than 45 though, it's 35. Biggest take away smallest. That's correct. That's correct. Okay, so just careless little mistake there, and that's good as well. So you've got 9 marks there. Take a look how I did that one on the clip and that one. You need to be able to do that now. I'm looking at what you've rubbed out, and what you've rubbed out is wrong. You've got 150 there that you've rubbed out. That is part of your answer, or part of the workings. And you've got 0.69, so you've turned 69. If the question said he got 69% of the votes, then you'd be doing the right method there. But he scored 69 out of 150. So you'd write it like that as a fraction, and then times it by 100 to work it out. £2.58 is correct. That's right. And that's a start. Okay? What you need to do to finish it, so if I just get my compass and open it to the same as yours, okay? So you draw that circle, and then what you do is you get your compass, you move the point to where the circle crosses the line and come over your original circle. So you've got a cross up there. Then you join A to go through that cross, and that's 60 degrees. So you're nearly there, you're almost there, but you didn't quite finish it. Still, 3 for the page is good. Not many have scored anything on that page. That's correct, well done. What have we done here? So you've got your 25 times 93, which is correct, but doesn't give you that on your calculator. That should be £23.25. 27.72 is correct, and then you add those together and you would end up then with that. So your only mistake is there. So you're going to get 5 out of 6 for that. And here you've got your 15, but then the rest of it is wrong. Okay, once you've got your 15, the next thing that you need then to do is to find out how much water is going to be paid at the higher value. So you know that there's 10 at that cost, so if she's used X, you've then got to do X, take away the 10, and each of those are going to cost her £2. So it's going to be 2 lots of that. That works out to be 2x take away 20, 2 times x, 2 times 10, and then the total is going to be, so your total will be 2x take 20 plus the £15 for the first 10 plus the £4 standing charge, which comes to 2x. You're down at negative 20 and you're adding on 19, you end up at negative 1. But you got 1 mark for working out the 15. Total for the page 9. Well done for working out the 24. But again, it's then how you find it as a percentage, just like with that previous question that you're getting wrong. Your fraction is out of 24, and they recycled 8 out of 24, and to turn it into a percentage you times it by 100. So you do 8 out of 24 times 100 on your calculator. Use the fraction button there, 8 on top, move your cursor down, 24 on the bottom, times 100 equals 33.3%. Okay, so you need to practice turning fractions into percentages, but lots of people didn't even attempt that, and you earned a mark by actually having a stab at it. So that's good. That's good. So is that, and that's good. Does the scatter diagram indicate there is a correlation between the age? No, because there is no correlation. Yeah, okay, you get that. 5, 6 for the page. Okay, this is a common mistake. It's 432 in the first year, but it's not the same amount in the second year, because in the second year it's already lost some value, so you're going to be working out 18% of a smaller quantity. Okay, watch how I do this on the clip, and then go on to the topic page on Foundation on Jones the Sum and practice these, because there's easy marks, and if you can do that you can get all the marks, but the method that you're using is wrong. So you get 1 mark for working out the 432, but then you don't get the others. Okay, so what you should have done, once you got the 432, second year it'll be 2,400 less 432, which is 1968, and then your 18% of that, and so on. So 1 mark for the page. Have a look how I do that. You should be able to do that. Pythagoras. That's a bit odd, but again, you should be able to do. So 1 for the page. Total for the paper, Alicia, is 9, 14, 21, 21, 34, 43, 47, 50, 59, 65, 66. So that's good. I'm calling it a D. It's only 4 marks off a grade C, and there's 3 marks there straight away. So we don't have to look far into that to pick up the 4 marks that you've lost. So that continues to be very encouraging, Alicia. Well done.